Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Don Ron Bro Show. We got a special show scheduled today. We got some news for Shiba. If you like Shiba, we're gonna have some news for you. Bearded Jalapeno in early. What's up? Give the people what we want to see. What do the people want to see, Bearded? What's going on? That's what I try here. That's what I'm doing here. Giving the people what they want. Good afternoon, bro. RLW, good to see you. Always looks like you're second in the chat today. Didn't get that number one spot. So I got a special announcement. I was able to figure out some emotes last night. So in the chat, you guys will be able to see some nice emotes. Let me start it off with a few here. Oh man, let me make this a little bigger so I could see it. But why can't I see this? It's being difficult. But there you guys have it. We got some new emotes for the chat. So if you're a subscriber, make sure to use those. I stayed up all night last night trying to get those figured out and worked out. So I'm pretty proud of myself for doing that. Yeah. Pretty nice emotes there. We're gonna have some more emotes coming in, and it's gonna be fun. It's excited. I'm excited. It's Tuesday, April 12th. Bitcoin isn't doing much, but some of these other ones, hey, Blue Powerade. Nice with the emotes. Good job. But yes, Shiba is right. Shiba making some news. So we're going to talk about that a little later. RSG, welcome to the chat. RSG. Yeah, Shiba being accepted to Robinhood and some other companies starting to use Shiba as a form of payment. So we'll start. We'll go into that. What's up, RSG? What's up? Good to see you. We're gonna have a pretty fun day. Looks like we're getting some viewers here. We got some people in the chat today. That's good. But yeah. Shiba. Everybody wants to talk about Shiba. So we'll talk about Shiba. We'll get that Shiba out of the way. Yeah, everybody's excited for that Shiba. But first we'll do our morning TA. Like always, we can't get carried away. So let's see this morning TA with Piano Matty B.
Bitcoin crypto. Good morning, everybody. It's April 12th, 2022. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has collapsed down to 20 from yesterday's 32. Bitcoin dominance is 41%. 24-hour volume's 105 billion. And the overall market cap is 1.86 trillion. Give or take 100 million. G dominant seventh, diminished second. Awkward child. Headgear for the majority of its formative years. An unfortunate bout of acne as a teenager, which all led to horrible self-esteem problems. He now hashes out as a perpetual bottom at his local underground S&M club. Well, we talked about this, so it should come as absolutely no surprise to us. Last week, we droned on and on ad nauseum about the probability of this bear flag's price potential. You slide it all to the breakout point, and then we're all at 39.6-ish. Now to put this bear flag to bed and to exercise its bearish demons, we'd have to hit 39.6-ish. Shut your mouth. In heavens to Murgatroyd. Price action didn't dip right down to 39.2, bounced off and rallied a smidge up to 40K-ish at time of production. Now the question is, besides the technicals getting exercised out, is the CPI don't care baked into said dump? Well, let's take a look, shall we? While other altcoins are essentially functions of the Bitcoin price, i.e., Bitcoin goes up, altcoins go up, vice versa. The Bitcoin price is unfortunately still a function of the legacy zombie markets, for now anyway. So if I pull up the daily and overlay the S&P 500, we can see how correlated she actually is. So again, was the CPI don't care numbers baked into this dump? I suppose one can hope that's the situation. And we don't see a mad panic sell-off when the inevitable train wreck announcement comes out shortly. The craziest part of all is that no matter how bad the CPI don't care numbers are, we all know that it's still just a basket of lies that blunts the real inflation numbers, which are obviously higher. For anyone who accidentally stumbled upon this video, the CPI is the Consumer Price Index, which is a basket of lies the government fudges to gaslight you into thinking they're not stealing as much money from you as they are, because make no mistake, inflation is theft. It's just wrapped up in a suit with doublespeak rhetoric that leaves you scratching your head and shrugging your shoulders. And of course that's why we're invested in Bitcoin, the financial life preserver. So I am anticipating some volatility when the announcement comes out, because the quant bots are locked and loaded, ready to execute their buy-sell algorithms. Like a swarm of starlings, they chase each other's tails up and down and around till the market sentiment decreases. That's just how she works. Those days of traders in green jackets screaming and signing orders are long over. The bots have taken over the floor. But Piano Matty B, how about a ladder of hope for, old time's sake? Yes, that idea sounds real proper-like, and thanks for asking. So barring a market meltdown post-announcement, our first rung will be 40.9. But let's call her 41. After that, we'll likely find resistance at the 20 moving average, 41.7. Now getting past the 20 should be your first signal that the bulls are back in town. And as such, we should see a quick run up to 42.2, where we'll regroup and plot our takeover of the 200 moving average up at 43K. And may I add, if I may be so bold, that the 50 moving average will also be getting near the 200, which will add more pressure and resistance at that level. So again, barring a market meltdown, this is what I'd like to see happen. Nothing runs in a straight line, but let's keep our eyes out for candle closes at these rungs. And my friends, don't sweat these announcements. They come and they go and they never end. They can ruffle your feathers, they can blow smoke up your Adirondacks. Ultimately, they are inconsequential to the long-term endgame of our ultimate hedge against them, Bitcoin. The illusion of value is tied to the US dollar, which is circling the drain anyways. So whether it's up or down, as long as it's pegged to the US dollar, price doesn't matter, remember? Remember? We're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected league. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic
day.
And sing it with me. I'll run the banks, I boom the spank,
Bitcoin, crypto in the morning tea.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
All right. Piano Maddie B with the jams with that morning tea. Hey, bringing it in. I mean, we had some harsh news, harsh news. It's been a rough week for Bitcoin. But yeah, as I was saying, we're getting some emojis. So if you got these emojis in the chat, yeah, I'm really proud of those. I stayed up till like 2-3 in the morning trying to make some, and then it said that they had to be approved. So yeah, so my emojis, more emojis coming too. I also had to take some screenshots, so I gotta pose. Make that into an emoji right there. Yeah, maybe like a dab this way. I gotta make some emojis out of the chat, so I gotta pose. I gotta look good for the camera. Cuh Shiloh, hello there. What's up, Cuh? What's up, Cuh? We got Cuh Shiloh in here. Nice to see you. RSG, what's up, everybody? This is a good Tuesday. Not so good if you're holding a lot of Bitcoin, but it's gonna be pretty good if you got that Shiba. If you got that Shiba, let me know. Where's that Shiba army? We got a lot of people excited about Shiba today. A lot of big news coming in from Robinhood and some other companies accepting Shiba. So we'll talk about that later. But first, the market cap. Oh no, the market cap dropping from 2 trillion. We're still down to 1.8 trillion dollars here. Not good, not looking good. But thanks for stopping by, everybody. Definitely don't buy some Shiba today. If you didn't hold it already, then this might not be a good time to buy it. But if you are holding Shiba, maybe this is a little exit strategy you might want to take a look into. Maybe you can exit right here and you could come back in later. I don't think Shiba will continue to rise. I don't know. I mean, obviously, you never know what could happen. But we shall see. Shiba making some noise. People are excited. We got a lot of Shibas in the chat. Bitcoin coming in at 40,000. So I'm probably gonna stop drinking these water bottles. I'm gonna start getting a coffee mug. Look a little bit more professional. That's what I've been told. But enough of that. Ethereum. Looks like Ethereum's up almost 1%, down 12% for the weekly. So still not having a good week. Let's see. Tether staying Tether. BNB up 2%, down 8% for the weekly. USD coin Solana, I think, also accepted on Robinhood, up 4% on the daily, still down 20%. They're having a very rough week here at Solana, 20% down. XRP still staying low, not breaking 70 cents. So XRP, the coin I've been talking about, definitely keeping an eye on that one. If this drops under 70, definitely going to be looking at it a little closer. XRP starting to reach some nicer prices for me to come in. So XRP, Cardano up 1%, still under $1. So Cardano, another coin that's very good, interesting coin. Terra Luna, with the Luna Foundation accumulating all them Bitcoins, is down 1%, down 27%. I think they spiked up pretty hard, so that's why they're crashing right now. Avalanche also looks like everything's kind of staying like Bitcoin, maybe up a percentage. Well, not everything. As we can see, scrolling down, Dogecoin not doing good. We won't talk about Doge too much today, but here we go. Shiba, everybody's second favorite meme coin, Shiba, with some big news coming out of Robinhood being accepted, being now you can buy it, trade on Robinhood. Not that anybody should be using these Robinhood. There's a lot of normies using Robinhood, right? A lot of the people that are not that big, not well known. RSG with the chat, with the emote. Yeah. So I guess everybody can use it. It says show your screen. Oh, that's right. That's right. Oh, yeah. My bad. My bad, guys. My bad. Yeah. There you go, guys. There you go. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. But yes, Shiba. Shiba with that 17% pump today. Yeah, not like I was saying, not that any of you should have Robinhood. If you're a listener of the Don Ron Bro Show, you know, you're here daily, or you just know me and you want to know a little bit more about crypto. First things first, stop using Robinhood. Stop using Robinhood. If you are using Robinhood, please stop. Please stop. Don't use that. They're going to take away most of your money. You don't have your private keys. You're not in control of your crypto. So you always want to be in full control of your crypto. That way, if the government thinks that you should give them some, or if anybody, they can't take it away. There's no way they could take it away. Even if they wanted to, they wouldn't be able to. So please, 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 please don't trade on Robinhood. Get with it. Get with it. There's so many. I personally like Coinbase Pro. I like FTX, KuCoin, Binance. You know, some of these heavy hitters, dog. Some heavy hitters, yow. But yeah, it looks. So I don't know how these emote works. Apparently, I thought it was gonna be subscribers only, but RSG had one. Maybe followers too. We're gonna get some more emotes on here for the chat, for the people. We gotta give the people what they want. All right, that's what we do here, the Don Ron Bro Show. But yeah, Shiba. What a day! What a day! So this has been a pretty nice pump right here. If you are holding Shiba, you know, hopefully you're up and we're able to sell some of this at a nice profit. I recommend always taking some profits. You know, it's always really easy to buy, not as easy to sell. So that's something to take into consideration. Some people just want to buy and hold for the long run. You know, I personally don't recommend that. RSG saying he likes KuCoin and Coinbase Pro. So yeah, those are some that I like to use myself. But let's keep talking about Shiba. Shiba. So we got some news right here talking about Shiba this and that. Robinhood is giving away Shiba worth 100K to 10,000 users. So maybe if you're already in Robinhood and all this, you can participate in this just so you can get some free Shiba. But definitely don't be using Robinhood. I can't stress that enough. Get with it, man. Stop being a noob. Don't be a little normie. After recently announcing the listing of Shiba Inu with Solana, Polygon, Matic, and Compound, commission-free investment platform Robinhood has announced there is more to store for its users. Indeed, the investment platform revealed that announcing the listing of Shiba on Twitter that is giving away $100,000 worth of Shiba to 10,000 users. So, is it 100,000 to each, or is it distributed between all of them? So I'm thinking it's going to be distributed between all of them. Shiba Inu Shiba now listed on Robinhood. There's the tweet right there by Shiba. We dropped new crypto and we're giving away 100K of it. Quote, tweet this from your Robinhood username included to get some. Quote, tweet this tweet with your Robinhood username included to get some. So I guess that's how you're doing it, through Twitter. They're doing this Twitter giveaway. Yeah. So I guess $10 to everyone who, quote, retweeted. So $10, not that much. Not that much. But 10 free dollars, you know. You can't hate it. You can't hate it. You can find your Robinhood username on your profile inside the accounts page, says the platform, and subsequent tweet providing instructions on locating the username. Users must be among the first 10,000 customers to retweet the giveaway link in order to be eligible to win, with the deadline for participation finishing on April 12th, 2022 at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So I guess today at 6 o'clock. You have until 6 o'clock today So this, if you got Twitter, you got that Robinhood, don't miss out. I mean, I don't recommend using. I'm not gonna be participating. But if you already got it, you're already there. Might as well get those $10 free. You know, get that extra $10 free for that Shiba. Will be accessible for redemption in the app within 24 hours of the retweet being made. All right. Shiba adds $1 billion to its market cap in 1 hour. That's a lot of money, you know. That's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. I didn't get shit. Yeah. But good to see the emojis in the chat. Good to see you. Boom, boom. Yeah. There's a little screaming face. Yeah. Just like that. All right. So yeah, if you guys are feeling hype, don't forget to use the emojis. The emotes, not emojis. Emotes. My bad, Twitch. Following the announcement of the meme coin, had a flood of capital from crypto traders wanting to buy Shiba Inu coin while the internet was ablaze with excitement. $1 billion streamed into the digital asset in less than an hour, with the dog coin spiking from 12.55 billion to 13.75, adding 1.2 billion to its market worth. According to CoinMarketCap, currently Shiba is trading at 0.00002761, up 19% in the last 24 hours, and 5.52% across the previous 7 days. So it had a pretty big pump, pretty big pump. If you didn't know about this, which I'm going to go ahead and say most of us did not know about, I didn't know about this was happening, you might have missed out. But if you were already holding that SHIB, congratulations, guys. Congratulations. I would have definitely had some alerts on there. I would have received some. If you don't have any alerts, Cytheria Supreme, thanks for stopping by. Cytheria Supreme, hello there. Hello, nice to see you. Nice for stopping by. Good to see you. But yeah, if you don't have any alerts, get some alerts. I'm not exactly sure how Robinhood works. Hopefully you guys are not buying and selling on Robinhood, but maybe they have some alerts. If they don't, then you can use CoinMarketCap and just download the app, and you can set some alerts on your favorite coins. That's one easy way of setting up some alerts. But yeah, big news for Shiba. Big news for Shiba. I think we have some more Shiba news right here. Yeah. So in other crypto news, Shiba now accepted by Ubersmith through BitPay. So I got an email at 8 a.m. stating they were listing it. There you go. So you got an email at 8 a.m. Hopefully you were able to see the pump, see that spike and jump out. Or maybe if it hadn't spiked then, taking a while with that news. Yeah, I bet. So if you were up early and you saw that, and if you weren't in, you were able to get in and then get out. Good job, guys. And if you're already in, maybe try getting out right now. Not financial advice. Do what you do, but I wouldn't think this would be a bad opportunity to jump out, or maybe wait for a little bit more. Who knows how high this is gonna go? We're looking at the chart. It's not that much. We're seeing these levels previously a month ago. Within the last 3 months, we're not at all-time highs or anything. So, just if you zoom out and you look at the bigger picture, not much movement. Listing on Robinhood, you would expect a pretty nice pump like this one we had back in November, December. But, it's moving. It's moving. It looks like it might have maxed out of its run out of steam for now. But, we got some latecomers. Some people wake up late, they hear the news late, and they think maybe it's not too late, and they might move it on up. But that's up to y'all. That's up to y'all. But yeah. So let's read some more about this Ubersmith. What is Ubersmith? Ubersmith, a New York-based subscription management software company, now accepts Shiba Inu via BitPay. So who's using Ubersmith? It's a subscription management company, software company. So maybe if you got some like Photoshop or something. I know I was looking into Photoshop last night. You gotta get a subscription there. Or if you want some other softwares, you want to pay for them. I know I've paid for some of my software, like my VPNs through Bitcoin, and every time I can use Bitcoin to pay, it's usually a pretty easy transaction. It's usually pretty fast and simple, and I don't see it getting taken away from my bank account, so that always makes me feel happy. And my Bitcoin gains always going up, so it's not bad to just use some of those gains to pay off for some of this software, you know? Not bad stuff. This implies that users of Ubersmith billing system can now accept payments in Shiba Inu, as well as other cryptocurrencies that BitPay supports, such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Wrapped Bitcoin, and USD Peg stablecoin. All of these right there. So those are in addition to other currencies used by Ubersmith customers all over the world. Support for BitPay is offered as an add-on to the host or self-hosted Ubersmith software suite, which offers billing along with taxes discounted and account credits. All right. So here we'll have some more information. With the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies, we want to provide our users with this option in addition to other cryptocurrencies with support, said Kurt Daniel, CEO of Ubersmith. All right. Ubersmith, providing billing infrastructure and ticketing solutions to organizations, and its services are being used by more than 100 companies on 6 continents. Ubersmith customers reportedly include Digital Realty, Namecheap, Citi, and WoW. Wow. Is that WoW? As in World of Warcraft? So that's big, man. Big stuff. More and more people using this. Shiba being used as a form of payment. I don't know if that's very wise. I don't know the fees. I'm going to guess Shiba's probably got some low transaction fees. I can only hope. But yeah. Are you guys going to be purchasing some items with Shiba, or are you going to probably use something else more efficient, more with lower fees? I don't know how fast these transactions occur. I can't really think that a meme coin is going to have the best infrastructure for internet money, you know? It's just hard for me to see, but it's being made. The reality is being made. People want to use the meme coins. They don't want what's best. They want to use what they want to use. You give the people what they want. You got to give the people what they want. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency adoption continues to be on the rise. A recent survey by the Gemini Crypto Exchange highlights strong crypto adoption momentum as roughly 50% of cryptocurrency owners joined the market last year. So yeah, most of these crypto people, all these crypto noobs jumping in, more than 50% are new. They all jumped in last year, so that's probably you. If you haven't been here for longer than a year, all this stuff may be sounding crazy to you. But, it happens every year, every cycle, every bull cycle, every bear cycle, all these crazy things happen. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency adoption continues to be on the rise. A recent survey by the Gemini Crypto Exchange highlights strong crypto adoption. Yep. Momentum as roughly, yep. In a survey conducted over 20 countries from North America, Latin America, and Asia Pacific region, nearly half of all cryptocurrency owners in the United States, 40%, Latin America, 46%, and the Asia Pacific, 45%, first brought crypto in 2021. So there you go. Robinhood is giving away Shiba. Yep. All right. So that's mostly all the Shiba news we got for today. Shiba making some moves, man. So that's some good news for most of y'all. We got a lot of Shiba holders here in the chat. A lot of Shiba people that didn't listen to me to get out when they should have gotten out. But, it's all right. It's all good. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin, Bitcoin having a rough week. We're here looking at the Bitcoin daily chart. We had a very, very rough day yesterday. So from 42, it looks like we came down to 39. And we're coming back up. Well, we were coming back up. And it looks like we're about to break our support. Yeah. of 40K, you know, has been acting as support there, but it's gonna keep coming down. It's gonna keep coming down. Yeah, we're at it looks like 4,064 and dropping. Maybe we can get a closer look here, and if we look at the 5-minute chart, as we could see here. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't see this holding. I don't see this holding. I think Pano Matty B was saying 39 again, and then maybe some resistance at 41 is what he was saying. We're gonna have some. So it looks like we are having resistance at 300. So you know it's tough. You know it's tough. Okay, so we're back up at 4,100. So who knows? Who knows? It's gonna go up. It's gonna go down. I'm staying out of this. I'm staying out of this. I recommend you stay out of this. But let me know. Are you guys buying this stuff? Let's put a poll out. Let me see if I can manage the poll. Let's see. Are you buying Bitcoin today? Are Bitcoin today? Let's see how many responses we got. Yes, we got no, and that's about it. So we're gonna get started. We'll get this poll. Let's see. We got this 10-minute poll. All right, poll is started. So answer the poll in the chat, guys. Are you gonna be buying this Bitcoin today? I recommend we do not buy this. We stay out of this. You know. Stay away from this, and we're looking for lower prices. Lower prices coming in. I don't see this going up. I don't see 41. But you never know. You know, a lot of people, like they said, were feeling panic today. There's a lot of in the fear and greed. There's a lot of panic. You know, people thinking Bitcoin's going to crash. So sometimes that is when we see some upward momentum. But overall, I do still believe we're in a very bearish cycle here. Looking at the daily, yeah, I'm still seeing a lot of bearish momentum. I'm gonna see this. We did break the trend here, so now we gotta draw some more lines this way, and we'll see. Probably see some downward momentum going this way. You know, there. So something like that. We'll probably see something like that happening, and it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good. This will continue. So let me stretch this out. Yeah. Downward trend to 36K, 30K. I can see this going down a lot more. All right. Ethereum Supreme says he can't hear what you're saying, but it sounds smart. You can't hear? You can't hear? What's going on? You guys having some Mike, am I having some difficulties with the sound? Is anybody else? Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Is it just Ethereum Supreme? Jahir, what you're saying, but it sounds smart. It sounds smart? Alright, it looks smart. Hopefully I look smart, at least saying it. Alright, that's good. Thanks for the info, man. Bearded Jalapeno, rather buy Polygon. You'd rather buy some Polygon or CRO whenever it goes down a bit. Yeah. The CRO, I finally got my wallet here. I wanted to show you guys my CRO card that I've been saying that I do have. Hopefully you guys could see it. It is green, so you can't really... it might be blending in with my beach, you know. But yeah, it's nice and hard, nice and metal. You know, got that CRO card. You know, CRO, I've loved crypto.com. I love what they've been doing, but it's not smart to stake at a high price, because even if you're getting all these rewards, 15%, 10% back, cash back, all of this, you know, free Netflix or Amazon, Spotify, all the good stuff, you know. If you're you know, you gotta invest some money to get those rewards, you know. So you're looking at 4K, you know, talking big money. If that comes down 10%, you know, you're down $400 just with 10%. And then if you're getting free Netflix, free so that's what, $15, free Spotify, that's another $5, something else. So you're really losing out. You're up nothing. You're down $300 now. If you're staking at these 15%, 10% staking rewards, you're gaining nothing. So just stake at the right time, Yeah. As it keeps going down, it will keep going down. It's a bear cycle. It's going to keep going down. And we'll get in at a better price. I'll let you guys know when I think is a good time to jump in on that CRO. I definitely am going to be jumping back in. I have some of my money that I had left in there. I was like, I made a lot of big gains in here. Accidentally purchased too much. Don't do this. Okay, here's a quick story. So I personally wanted this Crypto.com card, right? It's been out for a while. I really wanted it. I needed to have it, just like everybody else had that FOMO. And then I had to stake these $4,000, and I accidentally staked it in the wrong place because Crypto.com has different types of staking, and they don't make it super clear. I thought you just stake it and you get your card, and then guess what? I didn't get the card. So then I was like, oh man, I messed up. I didn't get it. And I was like, you know what? It's still at a good price. I see this going up in the future. This was probably about a year ago, actually. And then I said, F it. I'll put in another 4,000 so I can get the card. So I did. So I accidentally staked more than I wanted to. And then, of course, it had that huge run up to a couple of cents. And I sold it, I got rid of it. I had all those other rewards. So whenever you make purchases, they give you cash back. Whenever you you have Spotify, Netflix, Amazon, some of those things, they pay for that. So then I was getting a lot of rewards. I made a lot of money off of that. I sold it all, and I took my gains. And now I'm waiting to buy back in. That's the way to do it. So good strategy, Bearded Jalapeno. So we'll keep that in mind, and we'll keep looking at Crypto.com. Other good coins, a lot of other coins. XRP, another one, and some metaverse tokens, some metaverse coins. But we got some more Bitcoin price predictions here. Bitcoin 2022 loses some evangelical luster as crypto goes mainstream. Yeah, so more people jumping in. I read this article earlier, not that much information there, but crypto liquidation hammers the bulls. So we had some longs. I think we had a lot of people getting liquidated today. I think that's and yesterday. Que sea viernes. JC Ward jumping in the chat. Good to see you. Good to have you here, bro. Good to have you here. Yo. In recent weeks, crypto bulls have been on the back foot, and yesterday's price drop delivered another body blow to their ambitions. Boo with them body blows. The 428 million worth of liquidated longs were the most lost since January 22nd, when $470 million long positions were liquidated. Like in late January, this liquidation wave was the second in quick succession. Back then, liquidations came on back-to-back days, wiping out more than 1.4 billion worth of longs. This time, bulls had a bit of breath after more than $400 million worth of long liquidation, followed by yesterday's long blow. So yeah, we have a lot of people doing these margin trading. Of course, I've been saying, if you don't know what you're doing, stay away from margin trading. Margin trading is when you borrow money to trade. So you say, I only have $100, but I want to trade it at 10x. So then you get $1,000 to play with, but on the back end, you're also going to get liquidated sooner. So getting liquidated means you lose all your money. So you may have $100, like if you put it in, normally you buy Bitcoin $100. If it goes up or down, whatever percent, you're going to lose a percentage. Like you losing all your money is probably not going to happen if you just buy normal Bitcoin. Now, when you're doing margin trading and you put a 10x long or 20x, whatever you're trading, some of these sites have crazy amounts, you're going to get liquidated. So if Bitcoin drops maybe 10%, you're going to get liquidated. There's different percentages on whatever margin you're trading. So this is how people are getting liquidated. That's what it means. If you don't understand, ask me any question you want. I'll try. If I'm talking too fast or I'm not explaining it correctly, let me know. But yeah, this is basically margin trading. So that's why Bitcoin dips so hard sometimes. So these are all people getting liquidated right here. Yeah. So these people right here, they're saying Bitcoin is low. Bitcoin is low. We're going to long it, right? They put a long in for whatever price. If you did it here, you're getting liquidated here. If you put it here, you did something here, you're getting liquidated here. So, you know, it's tough. All these liquidations, when you see these dumps, this is people that have longs. They're thinking Bitcoin is going to pump now. There's probably people putting some longs in right now, you know. After this big crash, they're expecting it to go up a little bit. So they put these margin trades in. And English, please. English. Yeah, so these people are going to other websites. Margin trading means that you're borrowing money and you're going to trade. Instead of trading with $100, they're going to lend you some money that you can borrow from them, so that you could pretend to have $1,000. So if you have $1,000 and it goes up times 2, then you have $2,000 instead of only having $200. So that is why people like margin trading, because it's higher risk, higher rewards, but also the volatility is too high. With high volatility, you don't want it to be dropping low. So when Bitcoin does dip down a little bit, say 10%, you know you're getting liquidated, which means you're going to lose all your money, all of your money. So if you're new to this, if you don't understand the words that I'm using already, this is probably not something you want to be doing, you know. Try sticking to something more safe, like just buying normal Bitcoin and selling it, you know. Try getting in early, all right? Hopefully that helps out. Overall, pretty much, margin trading, bad if you're new. If you don't know what you're doing, stay away. If you have some time with crypto, you've already learned the cycles. You learn how you can't just listen to the FUD. It's a bunch of FUD half the time. They're just trying to brainwash you and tell you when to buy high and when to sell low. You stay away from all that stuff, and you understand a little bit how what's moving the markets, then I recommend some margin trading. But until then, stay away. Stay away from all that, and just enjoy these discounted Bitcoin prices, you know? I know a lot of people were hyped about Bitcoin at 70K, 60K Bitcoin, 50K Bitcoin. A lot of people were super excited. Ooh, Bitcoin dropping the 40K resistance. Falling below, you know, we're dropping right now. We're dropping right now. We're dropping hard. But yeah, a lot of people were interested in Bitcoin. It looks like we're just hovering. A lot of people were interested in Bitcoin at 50K, 60K. So 40K should be a lot nicer. You know, it's a lot cheaper. You know, you gotta get them discounted prices. Julio War, yeah. JC War 92. Yo, dog, when we're gonna do some gaming? A lot of people on here. We got a lot of people in here. When are we gonna do some gaming? You know, I want to do some gaming. Hopefully we can do some Fortnite. We can do some Halo. We can do some Call of Duty. Whatever you guys want. I've been getting in some Halo in at night. I haven't been streaming, but let me know if you guys want to see some some gaming. You know, we'll do some of that gaming. We'll keep going here. We keep going here. We're gonna start wrapping up the show. If you guys have any questions about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, about cryptocurrencies, what makes them different? What is a cheap coin? What makes a coin expensive? You know, I'll try to answer some of those questions for you guys. We got a couple people in here, so yeah, let me know how I can help you guys have some better knowledge of this, and hopefully help you guys reach that financial freedom. Financial freedom, you know, that's what everybody needs. That's what I want for you guys. Hopefully you guys can gain that financial freedom by watching the Don Ron Bro Show. But yeah. As you could see, there's probably a lot of people saying, there's no way this is going to go any lower. You know, let's margin trade this. And if they didn't sell at this point, you know, they're regretting it now. Regretting it now. We're at, it looks like 4K. We're just bouncing up and down around 4K. A lot of resistance, a lot of support, you know, right here. So We'll see. We'll see. All right. No questions. No questions. Let's take a look at our poll that I took earlier. Let's look at the results here. Are you buying Bitcoin today? So we have, it looks like we had a couple of answers. Maybe I could put this in here so you guys could see. Yeah. So no. No. So 7 people said no. Nobody's buying this today. So good job, guys. It looks like you guys are not falling for this trap. Might be a little bull trap. But good job, guys. Good job. That's what I like to see. You guys are smart. You guys are smart. If you guys have some friends that are not so smart, that don't understand Bitcoin, send them over to the Don Brown Bro Show, and I'll try to help them out. Yeah, so all the news today looks like it's just all this liquidation news. Why is Bitcoin crashing? People want to know. Why is Bitcoin dumping? Bitcoin climbs above crucial 40K marks as Fed ponders interest rates. Oh, yeah. So these interest rates, this is something that Matty B was talking about earlier on our morning TA. So Matty B, he's saying that the government is going to release this rates, right? And because they're inflating. All these information that they're going to be coming out with is a lie. It's not the true price of inflation. They're going to give us some phony numbers. They're going to make us they're going to try to convince us of something, and pretty much everything's going to dump. All right, we got some bro love. We got some love. We got some pride shots. So hopefully we'll be taking some pride shots later. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I appreciate the love. Nothing but good vibes here at the Don Ron Bro Show. Good vibes. Despite losing territory for 7 of the previous 8 days, Bitcoin climbed back over 40,000 on Tuesday, April 12th. We're getting some ground after recently falling below that mark. Well, it's struggling. It's struggling to hold, man. I mean, this is news from today, but it's still struggling. Due to historically high inflation and ongoing geopolitical uncertainty, Bitcoin and large cryptocurrency markets have suffered in recent weeks as Federal Reserves started raising interest rates in response. Economists pulled ahead of the release of the statistics on Tuesday, expecting that inflation in the United States will have an increase of 8.4 in March. So they're already predicting 8.4, which is high inflation. So a lot of people were talking about this, like, hey, they're going to be giving out all this COVID money. All these people receiving those COVID checks. They're all receiving those COVID checks. All that money. Yeah, you might have all this money coming in from these COVID checks that everybody got, and then now we're having all these in place. So all the price of everything you're buying is going up 10%. You already spent that money. So did you really receive any money? It was just fake. Like, you've been fooled. We've all been trolled. So there's that, receiving money from the government, not what it is all set to be. According to Goldman Sachs Group, chief economist Jan Hatzius, the Federal Reserve may be forced to hike interest rates significantly higher than it currently forecasted in order to calm an unstable U.S. economy. So, yeah. The U.S. economy, oh, man, it's struggling. They're printing out all this money. What do you think is going to happen when they print out all this money, Inflation rates, high inflation rates, your money value is going to go down. So we need some more burns. A lot of you Shiba users, you guys get real excited when you hear about this Shiba burn. Shiba burns this. We got Vitalik burning all of his Shiba. Blah, 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 blah. Everybody gets real hot. Well, why don't you go over there and burn some dollars? Tell the U.S. government to go burn some dollars. Of course, that's illegal. So don't do it. I'm not telling you to go do that for reals because that's illegal. And I would never recommend you guys to do anything illegal. But that would definitely make my dollar go up. I'm just saying. All right. So, yeah, these interest rates. This is something that we should all be, we should all be keeping an eye on. We're going to probably see a lot of things dump because of this. So, lower levels of Bitcoin incoming lower levels. That's what I'm saying. We got these fancy charts here telling you this and that. All right. So, But hey, one thing I do know, when everybody thinks Bitcoin is going to go down, usually goes up. Usually goes up. Usually does the opposite. So here, BTC long squeeze, $385 million position liquidated as Bitcoin slump. So more liquidations. Yeah. So this is talking about the same margin trading. The first time since mid-March, following the signals of the U.S. government that inflation is expected to get substantially worse in the country. So yeah, you guys be prepared for higher gas prices, higher prices at the grocery store, and just high prices. The crypto market saw 385 million worth of long positions liquidated in the past 24 hours. So yeah, same stuff, man. Same stuff. Bitcoin price plummets below 40K as crypto market tallies 400 million in liquidation. Same stuff. So everybody's talking about the same thing. Bitcoin fell 15% in the last 24 hours. Yeah, because of all this liquid, all this margin trading. You know, these people they thought it was gonna go up, but it didn't. You know, so somebody's got to be making that money. You know, there's usually the big money taking little people's money. All right. Investors are weighing the prospects of rising interest rates, skyrocketing inflation, and global commercial being disrupted as a result of Russia's attack around Ukraine, among other factors. So that's what that's what they keep saying. The government, the U.S. government, it's Russia's fault. It's Putin's fault. It's Russia's fault. Shop at Costco for the lowest possible prices. There you go. You have it here first. JC War shilling that Costco. Also, if you don't have some of that Costco stock, I'm sure. JC War might have some information about that. I don't know anything about stocks. I don't know anything about that Costco stock. But you talk to JC War, he'll let you know. But yeah, shop at Costco. You know, you get some low prices. You know, I love Costco. I love going over there, getting me some of that pizza. They got that good pizza. They always got that good pizza for me. So. Much love for the Costco. Yeah, those stocks. I ain't messing with that stuff, man. You know, it's too much insider trading, too much corruption, too many rules against the little man in stocks. You know, so I'm not trying to lose my money. I'm here for the games. I'm here for financial freedom. I'm here to give the people what they want. I want all of you guys to be driving in Lambos and taking trips to the moon, and just. Partying in Tulum with all the influencers. Everybody, we're going to go party in Tulum next year. Oh, he hears that they price match. You know, Costco's got that price match guarantee. They always got those everyday low prices. They had that Halo for $10 the other day. You know, I told my boy JC to scoop that up, but they didn't have it for PC, so I missed out. But yeah. Don't need a Costco card to buy liquor there. Yeah, they always got those cheap liquor at of course, if you're 21 and over, go get you some liquor at Costco. You know, if you're not 21, just wait. Just wait till you're 21 and then go to Costco. Don't go to those other stores. You know, you heard it here. You don't even need a card. You don't need a card. Haha. Hey man, guys, it's usually always 15 cents cheaper. You know what Costco needs to do? You know what Costco needs to start accepting Doge and Shiba. That's what they need to do, right? Doge and Shiba at Costco. Go in there, pay with some crypto. That's what I'm talking about. Once they get with it, but they don't price match. You know, fake news. You heard it here first. Fake news. Don't fall for any other news around this spot. But yeah, they're not doing the price match. All right. So some misinformation, but we got it all cleared up. Here at the Don Ron Bro Show. But yeah, we're gonna be wrapping up the show. If you guys like the stream, make sure to follow. If you guys have that Amazon Prime account, make sure to give me that Amazon subscribe. You know, you guys won't be getting these commercials. I hate the commercials. Oh, I hate commercials. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm also going to be doing some giveaways. If you guys like some giveaways, I'm going to be giving away some Ethereum or maybe some Shiba or maybe some Dogecoin. So if you don't have a wallet that will be accepting these coins, you got to get one. You know, if you don't know how to do this, let me know. I can help you out. We can have a stream. I can help you guys set up an account. There's so many places you could set up an account. You can have a wallet. You could just have a simple wallet, you know, that the government doesn't know that you have. And I can send you these $100 and the government will never know you have them, you know. Or you can create a Coinbase account, or you can create another account with another exchange. I can send it to you there. You can sell it immediately and you can get those $100 US. So I love you guys. Yeah, I love you guys. Much love. Be giving away. Okay, so we'll put it over here. We'll do this one right here. $100 giveaway when I reach 1,000 followers. I'm at 120, so I got like 880 more to go. You know, still got a lot more to go. But I'm also going to be doing a subscriber giveaway to all of my subscribers. So there's a lot less subscribers. So you have a higher chance of winning. Of course, you do have to subscribe. So there's that. Maybe when I reach, I don't know, I got to think of a nice number. Maybe 10 subscribers, I'll give away $50 of Ethereum. I am mining. If you guys know anything about mining, or if you don't, I am doing some mining. So I will be giving away my mining proceeds. So all the money that I get from mining, I'm going to be giving away to the channel so that you guys could hopefully maybe subscribe. If you don't have money to subscribe, you know, I understand times are rough. We didn't all know about crypto early on, but now you do, so I'll help you guys out. I'll be giving away some money, giving away some Bitcoin for you guys. Hopefully that helps you guys out, and you guys can subscribe and have more chances of winning. You know, a lot of giveaways here at the Don Ron Bro Show. We gotta give the people what they want. I know you guys want some money. Maybe Dogecoin, maybe some Ethereum. It doesn't matter what you want. Take off your shirt at the beach, sir. Yeah. I mean, it is hot. But we gotta keep it PG here on Twitch and on YouTube. You know, if I'm pretty comfortable though. It's a beautiful 80 degrees here in South Padre, coming at you live all the way from South Padre Island, Texas. If you haven't been there, this is what it looks like. We got the birds chirping. We got the seagulls laughing. You know, yeah. I love the emotes. I finally got the emotes, so make sure to use the emotes on the stream. Yeah. You get those points. Get those points. We're going to be having more stuff for you guys. Keeping it fun here. Keeping it light. If you guys have anything else, it's been a pretty good stream. 12 o'clock now, so we'll be signing off. Anything else? Any more remarks? Anything? You know, we got the birds out here. Maybe I'll go feed the birds. Gotta water the plants. Yeah, my bonsai tree. I know I showed you guys my bonsai tree last time. A lot of you guys have not been asking, but I'll let you know anyways. It's doing great. It looks beautiful. I actually got some other plants that I plan on turning into bonsai. I'm also doing some air layering techniques on some of the trees around me, so stay tuned for some of that. I'm going to be having some pretty nice looking bonsais. But good chat. Good stream. Nice to see all of you guys in here. But stay classy, guys. I'm gonna need like a salute emote salute. Maybe get a good screenshot off of this. You know, gotta get some screenshots. Crazy picture. All right. With all that being said, I'm signing off. See you guys tomorrow.